Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. This boat is the quintessential Boston Whaler that everyone thinks about when they want to go out and have a fun day on the water, fishing, water skiing, or just cruising around coves. The boat's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. This engine is reliable, it's fuel efficient, and will make sure that you have a great day out on the water. This boat particularly comes out with jump seats in the transom as an option. The seats fold down so that it also makes for a great entry swim platform or for fishing. You'll notice the teak package that the boat has. It has beautiful accents of teak. It really makes it look sharp. Really adds a lot of pop to the boat. For those of you that are avid fishermen, the boat has a live bait well that's placed just after the helm seat. The bait well itself, forward of it, you have the helm seat with a bolster that folds up, or it can be down for if you like to stand or if you prefer to sit. Again, teak accents on the console. Here you have room for a 10-inch GPS system that we can set up for you. The boat also comes with a great option, the Bimini. It provides you with a lot of shade or the ability to have a lot of sun as well. Up forward, the boat has a 30-quart cooler that also has backrests for sunning up forward with a sun pad option. Newly to note on the boat, the cup holders that come in the pads now. That's a new addition this year. Fusion stereo controls are also up forward here, so you don't have to get up and go to the aft of the boat. One of the other things I like about this 21 Montauk is its stability. The boat really has a great beam to it. Plenty of room to move around. Boston Whaler also took the time to really think about those of you that are fishermen to have ample rod holders in the boat. Also with a stainless steel rod holder that is actually in the life rails themselves. I think that this is just a great setup. It's clean, it's neat, there's nothing to catch on to. So if you're interested in a Boston Whaler 21 Montauk, please come and see us. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut, 860-399-5581. You can ask for myself, Fred Aberley, or any of our knowledgeable sales staff to help you with this boat.